Hello student, myself IT Valvisar. Today we learn subject organization of commerce and management standard 12 chapter second functions of management, which is the fifth functions. Coordinating, which is the first meaning of coordinating. Coordination between different functions and all levels of employees is the essence of organization success. It is an integration of different activities which is essential for their smooth flow. It establishes harmony among all the activities of an organization. In achieving desired goal in an organization, a number of persons are working together to achieve a common goal. Their work is closely linked with each other. Therefore, it becomes necessary to bring together the group efforts and harmonize them carefully. Coordination will not exist unless efforts are taken to achieve it. Coordination is the integrations and synchronizations of the efforts of a group so as to provide unity of actions for organizational goals. It is a hidden force which binds all other functions of management. Next, definitions. Following are some of the important definitions of coordination. First definitions according to McFarlane. Coordination is the process whereby an executive develops an orderly pattern of group efforts among his subordinates and secure unity of actions in the pursuit of a common purpose. Second definitions according to Henry Fayol, to coordinate is to harmonize all the activities of a concern to facilitate its working and its success. Third definitions according to Mooney and Riley, coordination is orderly arrangement of groups' effort to provide unity of action in the pursuit of common goals. Next, we see the importance of coordination. Need for coordinations arises out of the fact that different elements and effort of an organizations are to be harmonized and unified to achieve the common objectives. Importance of coordination can be discussed as follows. First, importance of coordinating. Encourages team spirit. In organization, group of individual work together, there may be existence of conflicts, disputes between individual departments and employer and employees regarding organizational policies, roles and responsibilities, etc. Coordination arranges the work in such a way that minimum conflict are raised. It increases the team spirit at workplace. Second importance, gives proper directions. Coordination integrates departmental activities for achieving common goals of the organization. The work is arranged in a very systematic way. The interdependence of departments gives proper direction to the employees. Third importance of coordinating, facilitates motivations. Coordination motivates the employees to take initiative while completing their assigned task, and effective coordination increases efficiency and result into growth and prosperity of the organization. A prosperous organization ensures job security, higher income, proper promotion and incentives. Such monetary and non-monetary incentives provide job security and motivate the employees for hard work. Fourth importance of coordinating, optimum utilizations of resources. Managers try to integrate all the resources systematically. It helps in utilizing all available resources at its optimum level. Coordination also helps to minimize the wastage of resources and control the cost of work. Fifth, importance of coordinating, achieve organizational objectives. Coordination leads to minimize the wastages of material idle time of employees, delay in completion of targets, departmental disputes, etc. To a great extent, it ensures smooth working of the organizations in the process of achieving the objectives of the organizations. 6. Importance of coordinating. Coordination develop cordial relations between all the levels of management of an organizations. Every department depends on functioning of other departments. For example, sales department works according to production departments. Production department depends on purchase department and so on. Coordinations help the employees to build strong relations among them and achieve the given targets. Seventh, importance of coordinating leads to higher efficiency. With the help of optimum utilizations of resources and effective integrations of resources, the organization can achieve high returns in terms of high productivity, high profitability, as well as can reduce the cost. Thus, coordination leads to higher efficiency. Next, 8. Importance of coordinating improves goodwill. Higher sales and higher profitability can be achieved due to synchronized effort of organizational people, strong human relations, and lower cost. It directly results into creating goodwill for organizations in the market. It reflects on market value of shares as well as it helps in building good image in society. 9. Importance of coordinating unity of direction. Different activities are performed by different departments. Coordination harmonizes these activities for achieving common goal of organization. Thus, coordinations gives proper direction to all departments of the organization. Next, 10th importance of coordinating specialization. All the departments of the organization are headed by experts in their respective fields. The specialized knowledge of these departmental heads help in managerial decisions. It leads organization to march towards growth and success in the competitive world of the business. Thank you very much.